Hello, hi and welcome. You are listening to Standing Through the Storm, a journey through resilience, stillness, and the quiet battles that shape us. I'm Rihazudin, and this is week one of the series leading to my memoir launch. If you hug me, I will fall. Thank you for joining me. Let me take you back when it all began, not with a bang, but with a whisper. Not all storms announce themselves. Mine started in silence, subtle symptoms, a little misunderstanding, unsteadiness, nothing too alarming, but deep inside my body was sending signals. And by the time we understood, I was already caught in the storm. 7 surgeries, countless therapies, but pain didn't destroy me. It revealed me. There was a moment I remember someone leaned into me, hugged me lovingly, but my knees gave way. I whispered, "If you hug me, I will fall." It wasn't just about the hug, it was about support. The title of my memoir was born from that moment. Real empowerment doesn't smother, it strengthens. Those who helped me most stood beside me, not over me. Then came the shift. A quiet morning, my reflection in the mirror, tired, fragile, but determined. That day, I stopped waiting. From that day onwards, I started exercising, moving, trying, failing, trying again, but never gave up the attempts. I became more than a patient. I became a participant. So, as you head into your week, reflect on this. What storm are you standing in? Who walks beside you? Not carry you, but witness your strength. What's one small act you can take today to reclaim your story? If you hug me, I will fall isn't just my story. It's for anyone who has ever felt unseen, unheard, or undone by life's weight. A memoir of becoming, of patience as strategy, of adversity as teacher, of love that lives without suffocating. That's it for this week. Reflection. Next week, we enter the hospital corridors, and the white streets, the silence, and the surreal strength found within. The memoir will launch on September 27th. This is Standing Through the Storm, and I am Rihazudin. This is only the beginning. Bye. Have a blessed week ahead.